This video walks you through the steps involved in configuring the Ownership Category Master Data template in the Property Tax module. Ownership involves multiple rights, collectively referred to as title, which may be separated and held by different parties. Further, the ownership can be categorized based on the nature and type of the property owned by parties. For instance, property can be owned by an individual who is the resident of city or by an institution or a society. Download the data template to configure the Ownership Category Master's data. As we can see here, the template contains 4 data columns. Provide a unique ownership category code. Now, enter the ownership category name in English. Enter the local language description for the ownership category. Update the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know specific requirements of the individual column, please refer to the data definition table for ownership category detail. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out to our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the configuration of ownership category details. Thank you.